Hello everyone, my name is Freddy Humberto Licizao Lopez. I am 25 years old and I'm studying system engineering in UNAD University. Eh, my principal hobbies are play basketball and football, and on the weekend I like it so much hanging out with my friends, and also I spend time with my family. Okay. Um, okay, let's begin. Just to go to Buenaventura. Okay, my last vacation was in Buenaventura. It was a really good trip. And I went to the principal park when you can see the sea, and also we share with my friends a really delicious lunch like um, fish and rice and some vegetables. It was so delicious. Um, After that, uh, we can we can discover all the island. The next day, we walk we walked around the beaches like Pianguita and Ladrilleros. It was amazing, but mm, sometimes uh, I felt bad because I could see the trash on the ground, and it's really sad to see that. Okay, the weather in Buenaventura usually is cloudy, but sometimes it's hot. On the evening, the weather changes. You can feel warm, but it's nice. I like it. Uh, okay, some advice. It's a good idea that you go to see the fishes. It's really tourist for people go there, and it's recommended that before you get to Buenaventura, stay in a good place or booking before you get there. And also, uh, on the other hand, it's important to see the the principal port in Colombia and also in Buenaventura. Yeah, for exporting and importing things to here and other countries in the world. Okay, uh, well, what you should do, you should walk around the island carefully with appropriate person. Okay, uh, uh, you should stay in a good place or book booking a good place before you get there. Yeah, for safety. What you shouldn't do. Mm, okay, uh, you must not walk around dangerous places on dark places, especially dark streets. And uh, you must you must know. I don't know. Okay, my thing is this is all. This is all. Uh, don't break the law. Don't walk in dark street, and don't receive anything for strange people that you meet in that city or in any city in the world. Okay, thank you very much. It was a pleasure to be here sharing about something in my life and also my last holiday. Okay,